You want proof this works? Here's your bloody proof. PS4 Jack and Daxter streaming directly to the Quest 3 with the Recurve giant window. So, quick disclaimer, you're doing this out of your own volition. Anything happens to your Quest, it's your own damn fault. I'm only showing you that this works. So, don't come blaming me if you didn't follow this guide direct completely 100% or something weird happens to your Quest. Alright, let's get to it. Go to the Meta Store and download and install Mobile VR Station. Now open a browser and go to Google. Search for APK Pure PS app. Open the first link. Scroll down to the green and click Download APK. Let it download. There will be a little downloads notification at the very top of your window. Now go back to Google and search for APK Pure PS Remote Play. Again, click on the first link, scroll down, and click on the green Download APK button. Close the browser when it's downloaded. Open Mobile VR Station. Click the Click Here to Continue button that looks like an on-off button. Click on Local Files. Click on All Folders. Go to Android. Go to OBB. Go to Scoped Storage Actions. Click on Step 1, Request Access. Click on Quest 3, Quest 2, Quest HMD storage, just whatever it says at this part right here. Go to Download. Click on the quad arrow for the PlayStation app. Click Continue at the warning. The warning is just, this came from an unknown source. Make sure it's safe. You're continuing at your own discretion. Click Install. Click Done when installed. Click on the quad arrow for the PS Remote Play APK. Click Continue. Click Install. Click Close. Exit out of this window. Mobile VR Station will crash, and that's fine. Now you can open unknown sources by clicking on the question mark folder on the left side of the app library. You may need to click Applications, then go to Unknown Sources in the drop-down menu. Go to your PlayStation and create a new user with a new account. This is so you get zero controller lag while you play. After creating and verifying the new user, open the PS app in the Quest and sign in with that new user's credentials. Click Continue, Player, and so on until the app is fully loaded like so. Now move the PS app to the left and open Unknown Sources and open the PS Remote app. Sign in with the same credentials and continue until it asks for a pairing code. Go back to your PlayStation and go to Settings. Scroll down to Remote Play Connection Settings. Click on Add Device to get a new code. I'm not going to show you what that code is because I don't know if that'll allow you to compare to my specific PlayStation 4. Anyway, punch that code into the window of your headset. And now you're logged in. And hey, don't be a bozo. Comment, like, or dislike the video. It takes half a sec and helps out the channel a lot. And we're not done yet. Press the PS button on the center of your controller to change the user back to your main account. So what is essentially happening here is that the Quest is acting as a spectator for streaming, which minimizes lag and focuses purely on just the video stream. While your controller is playing the main account for zero controller lag, it is still connected to your PlayStation. Go ahead and boot up your favorite game. You could have a secondary window for watching YouTube while you're gaming. Or you could get Discord up and running. You could even stream your Discord feed if you wanted to, using one of my other videos. You could also adjust the location of the window by pressing and holding the meta button. Pressing and holding the meta button. And of course, you got the widescreen awesomeness when you press on that expand window button in the top right of the window. And thanks for watching. Bearski out.